right, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 61,128 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. And we're gonna have the build sheet on the website. Car sounds really good. And I like that it's not obnoxious in the cabin. It's very loud outside the car, but in the car, it is perfect. With a little more seat time, I can get those shifts a little bit better, but it's very easy to drive. It shifts nice and smooth, no complaints there. Now the car steering wheel here is slightly off center. I mean, just barely. But the alignment feels perfect. No issues there. Suspension is really nice. No complaints really with the drivability. No complaints with the shifting and drivability. It definitely wants to get up and go. Really fun car though. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections we can find, and really just assessing the overall visual condition of the vehicle, like I said, inside, out, engine bay and all. So first thing to note, these wheels on this side are polished and the other side are chrome. So you got polished here, chrome on the other side. Looking at the tire, date code 2025. Looking at the wheel, a couple little chips, a few small imperfections. Overall, that's in great condition. Looking at the paint, it is kind of swirled up and paint has some marring and imperfections throughout. Now you could do a good paint correction on here and really get that looking tip top, and we do offer that service here in-house as well as ceramic coating. But I don't see any big dents or gashes, just the typical paint swirls, things like that from everyday washing. You do have rock chips kind of peppered throughout that little side mirror. A little chip there. Chip on the door edge. Most of that looks good. Here on the lower side, of course, it is going to be peppered with rock impacts, especially on that little plastic piece. You're going to have these little lines and kind of swirls. That looks good. Here on this wheel, some light scuffs. Little scratches. I do see a gash right there. Otherwise it looks good. Looking at the tire, date code 2025. They are Bridgestone Potenzas. They look really good. No window tint on here. You also have a full cage. And as far as the build goes, we will have all that information on the website. It has a bunch of goodies. So you can see the kind of marring and swirls in the paint. Got a vinyl stripe here with kind of a carbon look. That looks nice. Looking at the front end, you're going to have a little bug splatter. And if you don't wipe it off in time, it kind of etches into the clear. So that's what that's going to be like there. Just kind of peppered throughout that whole front. You can see that is broke off. That lens looks pretty good. It's a little yellowed. You can see this piece right here has a bunch of rock impacts, and kind of bug etching and things like that. Looking at that fender, do have some little markings and things. looks good. And then this wheel is chrome. That looks amazing. That wheel is really, really nice. And then let's look at the date code as well. 2025. Here on the side mirror, typical rock impacts. Looking at the roof, some little scratches, just kind of small stuff. We got some chips on that door edge. Here on that wheel, that looks really good as well. Now the middle, you can see some imperfections on that chrome. It's kind of like delaminating. You have some kind of almost looks like spider cracking on the surface of it. Looks good. You're gonna have typical hard water spots in the paint. You can see the kind of marring. So like I said, a good paint correction will do wonders on that. You do have a deep gash here. Those taillights look good. That looks nice. You have some scratches here. There's kind of a deeper one there. That does catch your nail. Other than that, it looks really good. All right, now that I'm in this lighting, here's a little spot that I missed. You're gonna see these little bubbles and texture right here. And you can feel them. But you have to be in that right lighting. Of course, we have spotlights on these cars, really enhancing everything. All right, looking at this interior, you got the roll cage in here. That looks really good. Here on this door panel, upper section, that looks nice. You are missing the little cover here. Those buttons are in great condition, and that lower side looks good. Overall, that trim is nice. Little gashes and stuff on the roll cage. And then checking out the seat, you are gonna have typical wear, things like that. This is kind of ripping. Good candidate to put some seat covers on or just replace these two front seats. Looking at that, overall looks good. Little scratches and stuff on the side, but otherwise in great condition. That looks nice. Trying to scan through that upper side of the dash. You can see you're gonna have some cracks on that heads-up display piece. From what I can tell, everything else looks good though. Those buttons look nice. Shifter looks good. The rest of that's in great condition. This is broke. That works good, and not able to get this to turn on. I think everything is active properly, but that screen's not activated. Here on this door panel, upper section looks good. You are missing the cap or the cover in here. That looks nice. You have one chip here. Overall, that looks good. Roll cage looks nice. Now here on the seats, you do have some deep wrinkles and typical wear over the years. That seat back looks good. Try to scan through back here so you can see. That looks really good. That's nice and clean. That side of the dash looks good. Here on the upper section, from what I can tell, that looks really, really good. And it looks like this is kind of popping out. I can see through the edge. It's very subtle though. Here in the trunk, this looks awesome. It is very clean. Looking at the carpets, they're in great condition. That looks really, really nice. All right, scanning through the engine bay here. Here on the underhood liner, you do have some wear and some tears. It looks like they put some tape there to kind of protect it from the intake. Overall though, that looks good.